Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about the OneIsAll S1 self-cleaning litter box and all of its features so that you can decide if this product is right for you. So to start out, this is a self-cleaning litter box, which if you have a cat and you're tired of scooping litter, or especially if you have multiple cats, or if you're just very busy and you're scooping litter every day when you come home, then a self-cleaning litter box is a great way to reduce that amount of work that you're having to do and the amount of mess.
I've used enclosed litter boxes before, and honestly, they can be a bit of a hassle. They're heavy, there's usually lots of pieces to take apart, and reaching inside to clean just isn't the most comfortable. That's exactly why I love the OneIsAll litter box. It makes that whole process way easier and makes a huge difference in day-to-day.
When I first took this litter box out of the box, it was very easy to put together. The directions were very simple and easy to follow, so I had no issues with that. My cats were immediately so interested in this. They really enjoyed how much litter I was able to put inside because of its large capacity. So they were able to dig around and play and have a good time with it. And so they were not intimidated by the movement either. It's not too fast or too aggressive or too loud. And I just really appreciate that it is made with cats in mind so that all of those needs are taken care of. Some of the features of this litter box really make it stand out among other self-cleaning litter boxes. So for one, it is fully modular and designed to be fully detachable and washable so that every piece can be taken apart and cleaned individually so that there are no remaining odors or issues with mess that you may have to deal with, because every single part can be taken apart and either rinsed or brushed or wiped off. So that makes it very easy to clean and reduces any of that mess. Most traditional litter boxes and even automatic litter boxes tend to be very bulky to get inside. There's lots of parts to take apart and it's just very difficult to clean them and put them back together. But this one, you can take every piece apart, you can wash it underwater. It makes it very easy to clean, very easy to maintain. Something else that's nice about this box is that there isn't an app with it. There are just these 3 buttons here, which make it very easy and straightforward to use, especially if maybe you don't really like using your phone with it. Maybe that's too much technology. So for people who just want a simple touch button right here, this is very straightforward to use. You just use the manual, the level, or the clean button, and that's all. So this is the basic model, but they do also have a Wi-Fi model for more flexible control. However, this one does work perfectly for my multi-cat household, and I will be using it for long-term use, but you do have the option of getting the Wi-Fi version if that works better for you. One of the perks about this is how efficiently it cleans. I really like that it does have the automation within the cleaning of the litter, but then the fact that you're able to take it apart and clean each piece individually is so nice because that will eliminate odor. I do really enjoy the automatic operation of this litter box because with my regular ones, I was constantly scooping and it was just a constant upkeep. Whereas this one, I can just let it go for up to 14 days and then I just change out its waste bin and that's all. There's no other upkeep except for taking it apart and cleaning it, which is also very easy. This litter box is also extremely safe for cats. It has a triple layer of defense against trapping or causing any injury to your cat. It does have the radar sensors that are inside that will detect if your cat is near. It also has a weight sensor, so if they jump in, then they will be detected if they are large enough. And then it does have the infrared sensor as well. So you'll see here that whenever my cat got close to the box when it was in the middle of a cleaning cycle or a leveling cycle, it immediately stopped and the cats are able to jump in and out with any issue or any danger of anything happening to them while they're doing that. As far as litter goes, I just used a regular generic clay litter and that worked perfectly. And then you also have the tray underneath that's 11 liters, and for a single cat that can hold up to 14 days of waste so that you don't have to empty it as often as you would with something that may have a smaller waste department. So you don't have to constantly be changing that out. It can hold quite a bit. And you can see here when my cat used it or when there's some liquid in there, then you can pull out the drawer and see how much space there actually is in there. This box also has ultra quiet operation. It operates under 45 decibels, which is quieter than most refrigerators. So if it's in a main area of your home, or if you have kids that are napping, or if you just don't like that loud noise inside your house, then it does operate very, very quietly. And in my home, I don't even notice it moving at all. It's so quiet, especially if it's off to the side where my cats prefer to use it, then you don't notice any noise at all, even when it's operating. There's also a very open design, which my cats really like. They immediately started jumping in and playing around, and they were able to totally turn around within the litter box without any issues. So if you have a larger cat or maybe multiple cats, then they have a lot more room in there to move around and it also reduces their anxiety because it is the open top and there's no claustrophobia or anything like that. And this is actually 32% larger than other litter boxes that may be similar. So they have that extra room in there if that's something that you're looking for. And you also have the open top, which a lot of cats tend to struggle with the enclosed litter boxes. Even with the automatic ones, they can still have trouble with getting inside there, or you may have trouble getting inside there to clean it. And so that can be another issue that may come up with other litter boxes that this one can solve for you, being fully open in the top and also being able to be fully taken apart for cleaning so that every piece can be deep cleaned. Well, that's about it for the OneIsAll S1 self-cleaning litter box. I think that this is a very well thought out litter box that would be great in anyone's home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.